Alright, so didn't get the Enjomor going. I did get the EM2 to run for a bit, so I threw that on the generator box here, and it can turn this little motor, so that's good. For the generator, and it looks like it's making 4 milliamps with the load I've got, so that's kind of nice. And it seems to be running okay, so if I can find a way to prop it up where it'll sit real good, I should be able to do a load test with this. That's kind of nice. That means the EM1 might work too, but I don't know if I have a good way to get the EM2 or EM1 belted up, because I'm using the groove from the pulse starter on the EM2 to run that, and the EM1 doesn't have a groove on any of its pulleys, so it would just be flat, and I'd have to use the big rim, I think. Although maybe the starter cup, but then that would have a lot of leverage. It could probably turn something bigger then, but we'll see. Right now, I'm kind of excited the EM2 could turn that. And I don't know what to do about the Enjomor and the ETX right now. Gonna have to clean them up and see what I can do about them, but it's getting later in the day and I have been out here. The ETX ran until it quit for about an hour, because it ran the whole time I was monkeying around, so that was real nice. And we'll see what happens next when I get the generator box tuned up again.